look at what I got today for the Fox body. A new to me, roughly 360 crank horsepower, Ford rebuilt 302 by Blueprint Engines. And this is how the engine sits today. The lower intake is on, the water pump is on, the BBK shorty headers are on. And soon I will flip the engine over on an engine stand and swap the oil pan, because I need a Fox body oil pan. This is an oil pan for an older vehicle, so I have to swap the oil pan and the oil pickup tube. Then it will get flipped back over, taken off the engine stand. The harmonic balancer will get put on the front, the rest of the accessories, the distributor, and then spacer plate, flywheel, clutch, and the transmission. That's all for today on Artworks Garage. If you'd like to see more Fox body, or in fact more E39 M5, Porsche 997 Turbo, or 200 series Land Cruiser content, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. We'll see you next time on Artworks Garage.